In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit SlideUpLift template. Learn how to copy SlideUpLift. We'll start by getting your template. Head to slideuplift.com, browse until you find a layout you like, then click Download and choose PowerPoint, the .ptx option. This ensures you get a fully editable file you can customize in Microsoft PowerPoint without any extra plugins. Once the file is downloaded, open it in PowerPoint. If you see a message at the top asking for permission, click Enable Editing. That simply lifts protection so you can modify text, images, and colors across the deck. To replace text, click any text box, highlight the sample text, and type your own content. Use the Home tab to adjust font size, color, and alignment so your wording fits the layout cleanly. If a line wraps awkwardly, try slightly reducing the font size or tweaking the spacing rather than reshaping the layout. For images, click the placeholder picture, right-click, and choose Change Picture. You can swap from a file on your computer, from online sources, or from icons. The great part is that the new image inherits the placeholder's size and cropping, so it stays perfectly formatted. Aim for clear, high-resolution images to keep your slides crisp on larger screens. If you want to update colors, you can change the entire theme or an individual element. For a full presentation, refresh, go to Design, then Variants, and choose colors to apply a new color theme across your slides. For targeted tweaks, select a shape or icon, go to Shape Format, then Shape Fill, and pick your desired color. Matching brand colors here helps keep your deck consistent and professional. Diagrams and infographics are fully editable. Click the diagram, select the shapes you want to change, replace the text inside each one, and move shapes if needed to balance spacing. There's no external software required. Everything is handled right inside PowerPoint. When you're happy with your edits, go to File, then Save As, and save a new copy of your customized deck. If you'll reuse this style often, consider saving it as a branded master template so your team can start from a consistent base. Now, let's copy SlideUpLift slides into your main presentation. Open both files, your primary deck and